Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you guys and unboxing these squishy summer blind bags. And these I made myself, and I plan to sell them at my Etsy shop eventually, which I'll put in the description box. But anyways, let's just get started. To start, I'm going to be opening this blind bag, and here's the blind bag up close. It has this design that I drew that is summer based. And here are the rarity options, I guess. So orange is common, green is rare, red is ultra rare, and yellow is limited edition. Anyways, I'm just gonna cut along this line and see what we get. So it comes with this mystery squishy bag, and we got a common squishy because it came with the little tag that says how rare your squishy is. So let's open this up. Don't want to cut the squishy, and see what we got. Ooh, so this is a watermelon squishy, and it has two different shades. It's red on one side and pink on the other. It's really squishy, and I really like this squishy. It's a really good common squishy and really soft. And there's that one. So we started with a common watermelon squishy, but now I'm hoping we get one of the rare ones. So let's open this next blind bag. Again, I'm gonna cut along the line. And let's see what we got. Now it's this pink question mark with our mystery squishy. And let's see the rarity. Ooh, and we got a rare, which is better than common. So that is a start. And now let's open this mystery pack up. Comment below what you think this one's gonna be. Ooh, and this is a seashell. This is a rare one, and let's see how it squishes. Really soft and slow rising, and it's actually pretty small, but I actually really like it. Let me know if you guys would be interested in buying these, and I'll definitely put it up on my Etsy shop that is reopening hopefully soon. But there's that rare squishy. Now we're moving on to the last summer pack. And in honor of this being a summer video, I decided to film outside. So I hope you guys like the lighting, and I don't know, I just thought it was pretty fitting for the video. But again, we have our blind bag, and let's just get right into it. This one is definitely like thicker than the other ones. You can already feel the squishy, so that's pretty exciting. Hopefully we got a limited edition. So again, we have our mystery pack. This time it's an orange question mark. And again, this is like a really thick pack compared to the past ones. So let's hope it's something good. Now let's check the rarity. We got a limited edition, guys. I called it. We got a limited edition, so hopefully this is a really cool squishy. Now it's time to open the blind bag. Don't want to cut the squishy open again, so trying to stay near the edge. Again, comment below what you think this is gonna be, but let's see what we got in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, this is a strawberry popsicle with some chocolate drizzle. And it's a 3D squishy, the first 3D one out of the 2 other ones. And it has this little popsicle stick. And it is really cute. And it's really, really soft and so rising. And I love the little strawberry. Some ASMR for you guys. There is our last squishy, and my stuff is about to fly away. Anyways, here is a final overview of every squishy I unboxed today. And they're all really fun, and I enjoyed making this video for you guys. And if you liked it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!